what's going on, man? It's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Finna bring y'all another video, another install video, another how-to video, none of all that good stuff, man. But it's like I said, it's your boy Hellcat Slick, man. Go on and subscribe to the channel, like this video, share this video. And first off, shout out to all my 100+ subscribers I have received now. I just want to let y'all know y'all missed out on $100. Nobody done the giveaway. It's too late, so y'all gotta catch it at 200 now. So like I said, go and share this video. I'm gonna get at it, man. All right, so I'm finna show y'all what we got going on. Stumping ground. A lot of people don't know what this is, but this is what we got going on today. So my homeboy Ty bumped into, guess another and put a titty in his car, man. So he didn't call up your boy Hellcat. And he called up your boy Hellcat Slick to come fix this thing, man. So let's see what we doing here. You know, this is not my usual do. So what we got doing, man, we're gonna take this bumper off. We're gonna see if we can knock that thing on out. But I mean, we getting there, man. So I'm gonna pass him the camera and let y'all see this work real quick.
Call your friend, bro. You're supposed to put me down with your friend.
Talisa?
Yes, sir.
We're talking about you, but she feels like if Bryce ain't gonna act right, why would you act right?
Baby, I ain't got nothing to do with that yellow belly.
Yellow belly? Is that what you just said?
Did.
I'm crying, not yellow belly.
Thing is, you know what? I'm for the. No worry, I know what to do. I'm for the post on my Instagram. When I make this post on Instagram, just send it to her. Because I got some drip coming for her. I got drip for sale. No cap.
You got drip for sale?
I got drip for sale.
What about me? Nobody ever gets me any gifts.
Any gifts?
Yeah, I love clothes.
She got one coming in 9 months. Don't worry about it.
Bryce said you got one coming in 9 months. Don't worry about it. Be careful about that trunk. You know that bitch heavy.
Yes.
Nigga, we ain't taking no trunk off.
I'm talking about that whole be, you know what I mean? The hydraulic on it fucked up.
Hydraulic.
Oh, you took the light out?
Hydraulic.
Up and down, up and down.
Bottom behind the glass tire, Bryce. Pretty much now, to get this whole thing off, to make it easier, we're gonna sit here, we're gonna take the whole bumper off real quick. So what you do, you gotta, for this type of model, you gotta take the headlights off. Comes from them 3 screws right there. I'm plugging them 2 wires. Then they got 2 screws at the bottom down here. You gotta take off for the bumper. The good thing about working on old cars, man, it's easy. If I was doing that to Ghost, if I was doing it to Ghost, I had to take the front bump off and the back bump off just to get to what I'm getting to, man. So y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna bring that to y'all real quick.
A few moments later.
Okay. All right, so now this is the dent we gotta get out. Oh, y'all probably can't even see that joint. This is the dent we gotta get out. 2 ways. We might can just push that hole.
That's what I'm saying. You step
On the rail.
Alright, nigga rig it.
I literally hate being
There you go.
at work. Everybody wanna fucking talk. I don't wanna talk to y'all. I don't even know
Did
y'all.
that bitch go back in?
Yeah, it did.
That's it?
Nah, try the other end. Try this dent right there.
I mean, I feel
Yeah,
like
right. Bryce, feet over there. This point right here. On this curve. See what that's that little lip?
it is plastic.
Boom.
All right, hold on. Let's look at it real quick.
That bitch can flip back.
All right, a little bit more right here.
Look.
That lip right there. I ain't gotta be soft with it. Now get that other cone over there.
This one.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
We got that now, man.
Shit. Let me see.
I ain't
Oh,
trying to
no, we
step.
gotta go here. Now, this might be permanent then, because it ain't coming out of those motherfuckers.
That hole really, stand the hole up, Bryce. That hole really. Yeah, I mean, pretty much, man, that's how you do it, man.
I mean, it's plastic bumper, so shit. Don't take too much pressure.
So don't. We ain't got that joint down and off. And got that thing knocked in there, man.
Yeah.
That's how you back thoughting and plotting now.
Back in
With a
back.
clean bumper.
Let's go ahead and throw that baby back on.
Yeah, let's go and do that.
You got to throw that back on. Just do everything we did in reverse.
Yeah, so let's do one side at a time.
I'll start. We start here.
Oh, well, I'll tell you what we can do.
What little tail like
Looks way better. Okay. Looks way better than what it was. That's why you gotta keep you some friends like this. We got this Bryce Bailey and Mr. Hellcat Slick Rick.
Oh my God, this thing.
Y'all see the shirt, man. Y'all see the shirt. Y'all see the Hellcat. Had a fresh wash. It's about 95 out here in Waxahachie, Texas. This is Ricky's old college. Back at his stomping grounds. He brought the car out so everybody could see it. You know, we had some people come by already. Man, it's a bad boy right here, man. Hellcat. Red interior. Y'all see it. Screws and bolts are in?
Yeah.
And here
We
we
just
go.
need some scissors. The finished front thing. I should have got a picture of the. You got a picture of what it used to look like? Dang. I ain't even tripping on it.
I said we should do it before and after. I would've-
Well, see, I would have did it, but I ain't even think about doing the video. And
You seen it before, right?
that whole it was really that quick.
Like tight.
I didn't think. Nah. See, yeah, you know most people no part, no pause, or no cars and shit like that.
This is a Hellcat right here. This one of my favorite.
Yeah, we can do a reaction video, man. We ride in the car.
You
I'm
could.
dead serious.
I need one
It's
of
a
those
long
videos.
road.
Yeah, I need one of those videos.
I like this right here.
We'll go around the block real quick. Bryce, grab us some scissors so I can cut this
Yeah.
off so you won't look too bad.
You good now, right?
Yeah, he good now.